Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have seen about the v-model directive in the Vue.js and also the downside of the performance issue when we use directly methods in the HTML template also we have seen. That means so when we use the methods in the HTML template that involves the dynamic variables which are involved in the v-model directive. If you use that one in methods directly, so it will affect the performance also we have seen. Now in this video what we will try to see is how we can overcome this execution problem, okay, the performance issue, how we can overcome this one. Let's see in this video. Before continuing to this video, if you are coming first time to here, please do support me by subscribing to my channel so that I will be posting more and more front-end development courses. Now coming to this video, we have seen, for example, if I try to refresh here, we have seen this one, right? So whenever we are changing, it is executing the the output full name method. Here it is executing this output full name method. Here I have did the console.log. Now here this method involves only the this dot name variable. So that means the name variable, the name property, if it is changed anywhere in the HTML template or anywhere, so it should execute, or in the JS file or anywhere, it should execute this output full name. Why? Because name has been changed, it should recalculate the code. Okay, that one is okay, fine. Now that means here if I try to check the code, here I am changing the name property, name variable is changing. So that is the reason the output full name method is also executing. So it's not a problem. Now here in this button, I am incrementing the counter. This is no way concerned with the name variable. So name property does not change anything. But still if you click here, it is executing this output full name. Okay, why it is executing is, it Vue.js doesn't able to realize this one, that whether this output full name uses this count variable or not. Okay, so this Vue.js will not able to reason. So for safety side, what it will try to do is it will try to execute that method. So if the count variable is using in that method, it will execute, it will recalculate that one. So as a developer, we know that we are not using this count variable, but as a Vue.js, it doesn't know that this method uses this dynamic variables, any dynamic variables that is changed or not. So that is the reason the method is getting executed. Now, for example, to overcome this one, what we can do is, here I can do name plus something like web.dev. I can write like this. So now there is the we have removed the execution of this method. So this method we have completely removed. So therefore there is no way concerned with the re-executing of the code. Okay, but here if you see, our principle has gone. What is the principle? So we should not write the logic in the HTML template. So we should not write the logic in the HTML template. So here the simple logic only. So that is the reason we have used it in the HTML template. If there is more logic, means we cannot be able to write it here. So we need to create a method there, so that we will be calling this method here. So now how can we rectify this one? How we can overcome this one? Now for this issue overcoming, so these are the normal data properties. Now Vue.js comes with extra another type of properties, that is nothing but computed properties. What is this computed properties? The name itself indicates that computed. So it will compute the data and it will generate the property. So now for writing this computed property, what we need to do is, so we have another property in the configuration, that is computed. So right now we have learned about the data and also the methods. Now the third one is the computed. It's a reserved name, so we should use computed like that only. And now computed, it's an object, and here we need to write the property name. What is the property name? Property name will be the full name. So this will be a method. Okay, so full name will be the property name. And here what we can write, so we need to return the this dot name plus I can write web.dev. Okay, so now this full name is not a method, this is a special type of method, but it is a property. Okay, it's a computed property. This method will execute all the time whenever the dependencies inside this one. Okay, whenever the dependency inside this one changes. If you use this dot name, if you use another name, if you use another one or anything, so it will change, it will try to change. Okay, so now if how we can use this full name? So we will not use directly as a method like this here. Okay, so this one is, as it is a computer property, we should not use like this. So just directly we can use this one. So full name is concerned with the computed property with the method here. This one it will execute whenever now the Vue.js will be aware that when I need to execute this full name method. Why? Because as it is a computed, so Vue.js will realize this one. So will read the code and will be able to realize that whenever the dependence inside this full name is changed, then only this full name will be executed. Either this dot name, either this dot count, whatever the variables you use. So any one of the variable is changed in this computer property, in this computer property, immediately this method will be executed, and automatically we can add this full name here. Now if I try to see, so here if I write console.log executing computed, if I see, okay, now if I try to check the output here, now here I am writing, so first time it is executing computed. Why? Because we need to show the Leela web dev here. Now whenever I'm writing here, it is executing fine, it's fine, perfect, correct only. Now I click on increment. Now see, it is not executing, computed is not executing. Previously, if you write it as a method, it has executed for every variable change in the HTML template. So in HTML template, if any variable data property changed means automatically all the methods which are involved in the HTML template are automatically executing. So now the computer property, what it will do is, whatever the properties, data properties used inside this computed property only, then only if it is changed only, then only it will execute. Okay, so this is the main benefit of the computed properties. So now what we can do is, whenever you are using in this one methods, means if the methods involve the dynamic properties changes, means it's better to write it in the computer properties instead of writing it in the methods. Okay, so this is all about the computer properties. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.